There's Mr. Flicker again. We just saw the hummingbird. Sinbad's been watching them. He's a good boy, Sinbad. You watching them? Yeah. You're a good boy. Flicker's like, what are you doing? Oh, look at that. There's another one.